how to change system sound theme to Galaxy, calm, fun, or retro. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, then tap on sounds and vibration. From here, tap on system sound. Then tap on system sound theme. From the list here, you have 4 different options. You can choose between Galaxy, which is the default sound, calm, fun, or retro. Let's say we select fun, and I'll tap on the back key to save the changes. Here you can see if I open up my phone application and I go to my keypad, you can see the system sound has changed on my key press. So depending on what you use, you may notice a funny different sound throughout your system settings. So if that becomes annoying, you can always go back to the Galaxy sound, and here we'll go back to the standard default sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.